If you lead guided meditations or want to, this is for you. In this video, I'll offer tips and techniques for voicing your guided meditations. I'm Max Heistein, and I've authored best-selling guided meditations used by thousands of listeners. There's more about my work in the description below. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Whether you're leading a live guided meditation or making a recording, whether you're reading a script or improvising, the way you deliver your narration is key. Here are some tips I've learned along the way that I think will help you do a great job voicing your own guided meditations. Number 1, take your time. Speak at a fairly slow pace to help your listeners settle into a nice, deep, relaxed state of mind. If you think you're speaking slowly, you can probably still speak slower and not be speaking too slow. Number 2, speak softly. Speaking in a soft voice can establish a tone of intimacy that will help your listeners feel welcome, safe, and relaxed. When recording, you have the advantage of using a microphone that can easily pick up your softest voice. If you're working with a group, try to use a mic or bring your listeners close in. If you're working one-on-one, sit close. If you feel you've got to speak in a loud, booming voice of authority, are you really sure you want to lead guided meditations? Number 3, pause between thoughts. Give your listener time to absorb what you're saying. If you say, imagine you're walking along a forest path early in the morning, then pause to give them time to fill in that picture. Then continue on to the next thought. A 20-second pause may seem long to you when you're speaking, but to the listener, it can go by very quickly. As a general rule, pause a bit between sentences and pause a bit longer between paragraphs. If you've asked your listener to do some deep processing, make your script include the words, take some time with this, or I'll give you some time now, or something similar. Then give your listener a full minute before going on. Number 4, read as if you're telling a story. Put some expression into your voice. It's true that some people voice their meditations in a dull monotone to lull their subject into a deep trance, but that's not necessary. Putting some color in your voice helps the listener go deeper into the story and into their experience. And finally, your attitude is key. Your attitude toward the listener is crucial. If you're feeling patient, kind, and caring, it'll come across in your voice, and your listener will feel it. It'll help them feel safe and cared for. Simply put, love heals. I encourage you to do whatever you need to do to get in touch with your own love before you deliver your narration. Your love will make the work much, much more effective. Check out my other videos for tips and techniques on all different kinds of guided meditation. In the meantime, remember to breathe, relax, and be at peace, and I will too. Well, we'll do our best.